Hello everyone, welcome to back another video. I am share new earning PayPal Cash and TRX USDT earning apps. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, Team Social Market YouTube channel. First time application open, sign up your account. I'm just click on login option. Google automatically login. Select your Gmail account and first time signing bonus 15 coins. Daily reward options. I'm just click down 10 coins earning. Okay, this earning application very easily earning apps. Okay, 5-star rating, no option. I'm just click now and I'm click now offer all options, offer complete and earn unlimited PayPal Cash and USDT TRX. Okay, TRC20 address or submit now TRX withdraw, no problem. And I'm just click now survey all options. Okay, I'm just waiting now. Playable tax option, I'm just clicked and video tax same. Okay, video watch, one video watch 5 points and invitation option, one fan invite 100 coins free. Use my invitation code must be okay. 100 coins free, my invitation code use, I am use my friend invitation code. Okay, and I'm just click now payment option, very simple small app. Okay, 2000, only 2000 coins, $2 and 2000 coins USDT withdraw available. Please subscribe to my channel, TM Social Market YouTube channel. This earning app new release. Okay, try to use. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, TM Social Market YouTube channel. Thank you.